What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking L, and we are getting ready for our Raz that we're doing here. Good luck. It was a long time filming, but it's awesome cards, man. Pretty nice cards going home to some winners here, so good luck. It is, what time? 12:05. Top three names after four. Best of luck. One. Slow one. Two. Three is a time stamp. Remember, you're looking for top three here. Keep your eyes peeled. Third time stamp says 12:06. 12:06 and last and final. Here we go. Here you go, sir. Alan, you're up first. Shane, second. Ian, third. Let's grab your timestamps. You got spot 2, 8, and 7. So you guys are drafted, if I do believe. Yes, sir, you are. So you guys, Alan, you get first pick of the three. Totally up to you which one you would like. After that, Shane gets second pick. 12:06 and 12:06. So Alan first pick, Shane second pick, Ian, you get what's left, man. Congrats again, guys. We'll see you on the next one.